if you believe in England or America or Europe or whatever country it is you're from at the moment, you got to know that all your money is being controlled by the same group of people. So who really owns your country? They print the money, they've got the Epsteins, they can buy and corrupt anyone and anything. This is the real power structure. And recently we've seen that they've tried to block, demonetize. They've completely wiped everyone off of YouTube, which coincided with this virus for a reason, of course. They need to silence people. Even regular journalists like London Real had to get silenced because he had David Icke on there speaking the truth. And that's the one thing you can't do, because the truth reveals the true power structure. There is no England anymore. There is no America. There's no Europe. There's just these currencies controlled by one group of banksters. And they're the ones that are committing all these events and making everything happen.